Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a poor man beef cheesesteak. And right here I have 3 patties that I thawed out. A 100% beef ground chuck. I have some tomatoes and shredded up me some lettuce right here. I have some onions and 2 different type of bell peppers. I have me some fine cheese right here. I have some provolone cheese right here. I probably use 4 of those. I have some French bread right here. All right. And this right here is just some seasoning I made up. You can use salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, onion powder, and what I want to say, some chili powder. All right. All right, that's all I did with that, and a little salt in there. So I think I already said that. So let's get right into this, guys. Go ahead and put this stuff to the side right here. We're gonna go ahead and do our burgers. We're not gonna season that yet until we chop it up, okay? This is the poor man beef cheesesteak. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. This is my cast iron. All I did is wipe a little, I wiped a little olive oil in there. I got re-seasoned this skillet. As you can see, ain't nothing going on. I do have this on medium. I was trying to let it heat up. But we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes on each side. And then we'll chop it up. And then we'll season it. And then we'll add our veggies to it. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. It's been about 2.5 minutes. We're just going to flip this. Obviously that ain't quite done. But we ain't worrying about it. So we're going to let this cook about 2.5 minutes. And then we're going to chop it up. See you guys in a minute. Matter of fact, guys, I changed my mind on that. While that's cooking, we're just going to add our veggies in here on the side because we're going to chop it up anyway. Alright, so they're going to be getting sauteed up. Just like that. Let that work. I'm just going to start chopping on this. Like so. Like that. And we're going to take our seasoning. Put our seasoning on there. As much as you want. Mine ain't very salty, so I'm good on that. Just start incorporating it. And you chop as you go if you want them smaller. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let this cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes. And start adding my cheese to this. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. We're going to start adding my cheese on here. I decided to go with 5 of them. Just like so. You're just going to let that melt. And we're going to put that on the bread. Okay? Turn your eye off and let it finish cooking by itself. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Now what I want to start doing, I already pre-sliced it. I want to take some of this breading out. Just a little bit, not a whole lot, because we don't want our sandwich to fall apart. Alright? That should be enough for me. Right there. And we're going to take us some mayo. This is Duke's mayo. Right here. I'm going to put some on this top one. And I mean, guys, if you want to toast your bread, you can. I don't want to toast mine, but you guys feel free to toast yours if you want to, okay? All right, this is enough mayo for me personally. All right. Then I'm coming here with some lettuce. I'm coming here with some tomatoes. I like to load mine up with the tomatoes. Tastes just that much better. All right. Now if you want to put some of this cheese on here, if you got the slices, that'd probably be better for you, more convenient for you. All right. Now let's go get our meat. I like to squeeze it close by there, like so, and just put it on there like that. All right. Put the rest of this on here. All the crumbs, everything. Poor man beef cheesesteak. And when I tell you it's good, it tastes better than a regular Philly cheesesteak. I'm not lying to you. These are one of them meals you make up when you've been drinking. I ain't gonna even lie to you. And it tastes super delicious. But then again, everything do when you've been drinking, right? All right, let's grate all this stuffed goodies on there. Put the rest of that on there. This is how you make a poor man cheesesteak, beef cheesesteak. No doubt, and it's delicious. Now, if you like me, sometimes I like to put a little A1 steak sauce on mine, but this time I'm not going to do it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close this up, guys. All right, fam, there it is. A poor man Philly cheesesteak or beef cheesesteak. All right, I'm going to show you guys that up close. Mud long. Gotta make you one. Alright. So, saying that to say this, if you guys like this recipe, please make it. I'm gonna tell you that. Just try my meals out. I'm trying to tell you they taste good. Okay? So saying that to say this, if you guys like my recipe, please like, share, and subscribe. All the content, please. I mean, that's the only way I can get paid to do some of these videos, alright? So, guys, saying that to say this, I'm up out of here. Have a blessed day, and God bless you.